Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming basics quickly. Make sure your phone is updated and apps are current because software bugs often affect rotation. Next, pull down Quick Settings and flip Auto Rotate on. If it says Portrait, you are still locked. Once done, rotate the device and check several apps. The camera and browser are fast tests. This rules out app-specific issues versus system-level problems, so you know whether to continue with deeper fixes. You now dig into sensors and software interactions. Restart the phone first. This clears temporary faults and often fixes rotation. If the issue persists, run a sensor or diagnostics tool to view accelerometer values. You want changing X/Y/Z numbers when tilting. Then boot into safe mode. If rotation works there, a third-party app is to blame. Make sure to note which apps you installed recently, because uninstalling, you finish by resetting the parts that control rotation. Clear the system UI cache and any affected app caches, then reset display or motion settings to defaults because misconfigured options can block rotation. Update system firmware if an update is available, and if nothing changes, backup data and consider a factory reset as a last resort. If rotation still fails, inspect the accelerometer hardware or seek repair. One key troubleshooting tip: test the accelerometer.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.